Next is fungi. The fungi can be unicellular, as in the case of yeast, or multicellular, as in the case of molds. They have a cell wall, but it is not made of cellulose, it is made up of chitin. What is chitin? Chitin is a kind of sugar. Cellulose is also a kind of sugar, but they are different. The unique feature about fungi is they are not autotrophic. They do not have chlorophyll. Their reproduction is by spore formation. While in the case of Protista and Monera, it is by fission. Now, originally Haeckel considered fungi and Monera in plant kingdom, and Protista was considered in the animal kingdom. But now these are considered as separate three divisions. The next is Thallophyta. These plants are generally aquatic. In fact, they are always aquatic. They are found in water. They are autotrophic, and their plant body is called thallus. They can reproduce both asexually as well as sexually. Just like fungi, there are unicellular algae as well as multicellular algae. Unicellular is Chlamydomonas, Chlamydomonas is unique because unlike other plants it can move, and it moves with the help of flagellum. And multicellular is Spirogyra, Cladophora or Cara. So, the thallophytes have a very simple organization. Even the algae which are multicellular, they do not show any kind of tissue, organ or organ system differentiation. All cells are alike and they can live independently. So, you can just say they are like an aggregate of unicellular organisms. Some people they even consider them colonies. So, we can say the last point is no tissue, organ or organ system. No division of labor, because it is very simple, within one cell it is able to do everything.